All right. Time for our rant. Time for our rant. So, we're at Queens Plaza on the E, and some asshole pulls the emergency brake. And when we're speeding into the station, we like going, then we fall back like that. So that's what happens. Now this is the second time at Queens Plaza this shit happened on the E. Y'all saw the video the last time. Y'all see what that guy doing over there? He literally had to go in the middle, jump out the car. Why? Who did it? My man's, we're trying to go to Jamaica, and this happens. Not one, but twice on the same train, at the same station, in the same year period. What the hell? Now, we're stuck in the E with Rosa and Jacob. Ah, man, it's just literally just through the emergency brake, just had us rolling back. Bro. It's messed up. It's messed up.
I was like, what happened at first?
We all go in the middle to get the fuck out.
God damn, I shouldn't tell you the
Oh, look at this.
Bro.
We out. We out. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. I just want to. We out.
Whoever did that, your mama's a hoe!
Oh shit. Oh, they're letting everybody out. Look at that. They're evacuating the whole train. You know, I should have used my camera for this, but it's just a whole quick moment. Then, like, you know, they're evacuating the entire train for this. But my guy, there is nobody. Wait, was somebody at the tracks or whatever?
Bro, it could be another hobo doing that.
Nah, cause now I don't even know if I have enough time to go to fucking Jamaica for this no more.
Bro, now I have to do another argument.
Matter of fact, what they gonna do? Send an Arch Express?
Yep. They're gonna send the auto express. Yes.
Well, the R goes over there, so they have to put some sort of express service that's we're just.
No. The thing is that the M train is gonna go via 63rd.
Yeah, since the M train's back there, it's gonna be delayed because of this.
Yep.
Man, I don't get it. Why twice at this station? What is that?